going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back into the channel. Today we've got a little bit different of a video coming up for you. I am on my way to get a YouTube intro shot. We are going to be combining some POV footage with some drone footage, as well as roller footage and some static B-roll shots as well. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a behind the scenes on that. Unfortunately, I only have a camera mount on this helmet. So when I swapped to one of my other helmets, in fact, I actually only brought one additional helmet today. I left my Pista at home. But, so when I swapped to my KYT KX-1 Carbon, I won't be shooting then. But when I have this helmet, the red Carbon NZ race, I will be giving you guys some behind the scenes POV footage of today's shoot. So I'm about to pull up to Fuel City, meeting the photographer there. He is in town from some other state, I think Arizona. Never met him before, but his work looks great, so excited about that. Excited to bring this video to you guys. Stay tuned, grab some popcorn. Should be a good video. This weather's it's looking a little sus right now, I'm not gonna lie. We got one of the bridges over there looking pretty. This cloud looking extra sus. So hopefully we don't get rained on. I was feeling some sprinkles, and I don't know whether it was somebody's exhaust or rain on me on the way here. But those clouds definitely look extra sus. So fingers crossed, I do not want to get rained out. Not tonight. Because I have another shoot right after this to finish up my roller shoot from Thursday. So steady working just to bring you guys some content. Yeah, it's starting to sprinkle a little bit. It's just no bueno, chat. There's like 0% chance of rain on the forecast too. I don't understand what the heck's going on. It's a blue sky right now, as y'all can see, and I'm getting poured on in rain. Alright guys, well I definitely forgot to turn my camera on the entire time we were just shooting, but homie just grabbed some drone footage. We're gonna head to the famous Texaco to get some static B-roll footage, and then I think we're heading to a parking garage after that or something for some more, and then I gotta get you guys some POV footage and log, which in case I haven't said it before, I've switched my DJI to auto, and then I usually will just leave the footage alone or click the auto balance in Final Cut Pro, and I just leave it alone. That way I don't have to spend hours color grading, because I'm terrible at color grading, I'm not gonna lie. It's an art form, and respect to everybody that can color grade a long form video professionally, like all the way through, but that is not me. But yeah, I'm super pumped to make this intro for you guys. It's going to be absolutely sick. And here we are pulling up on the infamous Texaco. I like this place a lot. The footage that comes out of this place is legendary. It's an iconic Dallas place to get some footage from. Ooh, we got the ZX6 sitting pretty. I love this spot. Look at this. Got the cityscape in the background. Somebody messed this place up though. Look at this, come on. Come on. Why am I picking up at a gas station? This is bad. Got this little fucking freaking soy sauce packets. There's like a gas cap sitting over there. What are we doing? Alright guys, we're gonna wait for him to grab some shots here. I will catch up with you guys here in a second. Just had a bunch of people pull up while we're trying to shoot here. Looks like most of them are clearing out now though. Let's wait for this Chevelle to get some gas. Clean car though. And then we're gonna be able to finish our shoot here, hopefully. Finally heading to meet up with my main photographer. We got to get some static B-roll footage to finish our roller shoot from the other day. That took way longer because we kept getting swarmed with cars. At least the temperature dropped. It feels much better than it did when I came out earlier. Like I mentioned in a couple videos ago, my NBT pants were just getting way too hot. So I picked up a pair of the Dainese Drake 2 or Drake 3 something. And they are way cooler. Wearing them for the first time today. They'll be evident in the cinematic shoot I just did, as well as the shoot I'm about to do. So Dallas has some crazy highways. I love seeing the bridge over here as well. Oh, we're actually going to go through the bridge, I think. I think he is. I love coming through the Dallas city lights. I don't ride at night too often, to be honest. Usually I'm back home by 8 or 9. This Explorer's moving. I'm always wearing a mirrored tinted visor, so it gets a little bit difficult to see when the light levels get down to like this. So I try not to do too much riding with a dark tinted visor, and I do not carry a backpack, so I'm not going to be carrying a clear visor with me. So all of those things contribute to the reason why I don't ride too much at night like this. But tonight, getting a bunch of footage done for you guys. And for the Instagram, so super pumped for that. Can't wait for all this footage to get finished and sent over to me. That way I can start the editing process. Which now that I switched to Final Cut Pro, it's actually a lot faster than CapCut was for me to edit on, and it just seems a little bit more professional, to be honest. The finished product just seems cleaner to me. I don't know what you guys think. Drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think. Watch my last 2 videos, and then watch the 2 videos before that, and I think the last 2 were edited on Final Cut, and everything before that was CapCut. So let me know what you guys think. I really like the masking feature in Final Cut compared to, well, the magnetic masking feature, I should say, in Final Cut compared to the mask track in CapCut. Not to mention everything else is just like it's a lot faster in Final Cut than it is in CapCut. So, and whoever it was in the comments from a few weeks ago saying that they wanted me to do a cinematic intro, this one's for you. Cinematic intro is done. Can't wait for homie to get that finished and sent over to me. I gotta record some D-log footage as well to get some POV from the DJI because I did not have it recording today while we were shooting the rollers. So I gotta get that shot and sent over to him, and then he can put the intro together for us, as well as all the additional footage sent over. So yeah, like I mentioned, a little bit different style of video tonight for you guys. There's no way I can do this too often. Spend my entire Sunday evening and late afternoon getting footage, but everything just kind of landed on the same week or weekend. Actually, this is really the only riding I've done all weekend. And I rode to get rollers on Thursday, and then I rode tonight. I haven't done any actual riding for myself. That's something I promised myself I would never do, is stop riding to enjoy the ride and just ride to get footage. That's exactly what I did this weekend, so I'm gonna have to make sure I turn the camera off and get some good rides in over the next few days, or the next couple of weeks at least. It's already 10 o'clock. We're gonna need at least an hour and a half to get these static B-rolls shot, I think. So that puts me getting home at like midnight. Work's gonna be fun tomorrow, chat. Enough complaining. These still videos are gonna be fire. Static B-rolls, whatever you wanna call them. They're gonna be fire. Alright, just finished the static B-roll shoot. Finally heading home. It's gonna be a long, boring 45-minute ride back to the casa, but I'm super pumped. I can't wait to see how these videos turn out. Showcasing one of my newer helmets, the KYT KX-1 Carbon, that I waited since February to get. It came in a couple of weeks ago, just now getting around to putting it on for the shoot, because it's actually, and buyer beware a little bit, it's a lot tighter than I expected it to be. The same size that I wear in the NZ race. I got the same size in the KX-1, and I don't know if I need to break it in even more. And I guess I did only wear it for a couple of hours the other day when I was shooting rollers, but it created a ton of pressure on my cheekbones, and that's even after removing some of the foam from the cheek pads, which is what KYT said that they do for the MotoGP riders. So I don't know. Hopefully it breaks in, because right now, that if I'm gonna have that pain every time I wear it, it's gonna be unwearable. But other than that, I love the helmet. It's awesome, and it looks fantastic. In the looks department, it looks so much more aggressive than the NZ race. Not to mention the wind deflection is a lot better too. So like when I'm riding at higher speeds, there's less wind buffeting on my helmet. And the helmet moves around a lot less, but that's probably because it's a little bit too tight. yeah, guys, that's enough yapping from me. I'm probably going to end the video right here. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, like I said, it was a little bit different of a video today. Taking you guys on a little bit of behind the scenes of getting some content done and shot. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Drop a comment, hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, because I have a lot of cool stuff coming to the channel, not to mention the brand new intro that I just shot today. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.
Yeah, hey, yeah. Temperature rising, I'm a survivor. Made for the climb and forging the fire.